This is a presentation on assignment number 9, calculating the rate of performance. The purpose of this presentation is to illustrate how to estimate the project end once the project has begun. This is done by calculating the rate of performance and planned duration of a project based on actual work to date. Revising the estimated project end can then be used to anticipate budget overrun for the project. To begin, I entered the activities for the project, the relevant predecessors, and the planned durations into Maryland to determine the planned start and end dates for the project. As can be seen in the Gantt chart, the project began on March 15, 2009, and the planned end day is June 5, 2009, giving it an overall planned duration of 3 months. Using the Gantt chart, we were also able to identify the critical path. Print Survey Tool and Analyze Data are the two activities not found on the critical path. Listed here are the necessary activities to be completed, along with the planned duration and expenditure for each activity. As can be seen, activities A, B, and C have been completed, but the actual duration for activities A and B was longer than the planned duration. Now it is necessary to calculate the anticipated delay at the end of the project given the delays in activities A and B and the effect of these delays on the overall budget of the project. Rate of performance was calculated by dividing the actual work by the planned work. Actual work was calculated by adding the number of weeks it took to complete activities A and B. Remember, activities not found on the critical path are not included when calculating project duration. Planned work was calculated by adding the number of weeks the managers originally planned to complete activities A and B. The calculated rate of performance was 200%. Planned duration was calculated by subtracting planned duration for activities that do not fall in the critical path from the planned duration in week for all activities. Calculated planned duration was 12 weeks. By multiplying planned duration by the rate of performance, I determined that the estimated project end would be 24 weeks. Because the estimated project end is twice as long as the original planned duration, it is possible to conclude that the project will be over budget. From this presentation, I learned how to estimate the project end once a few initial tasks have been completed. This was easy to do by calculating the rate of performance and the planned duration. It would be easy for project managers to over or underestimate the duration of a project. Using actual durations for certain tasks and the procedure outlined in this video, project managers can more accurately estimate the project end. This is an important tool for project managers that enables them to estimate the current budget of a project as compared to the initial budget.